All right, very good. Now turn on your energy. Inhale, hold it, remove all of those air pollutants, and exhale, very good. You know, you can't always control what goes on outside, but you can control what goes on inside. Keep focusing on purification. Amazing work. There you go. Hold this pose. Keep eliminating those harmful particles like dust, pet dander, smoke, and odors. Now, picture yourself in a peaceful environment. A living room, a bedroom, a kitchen. You're eliminating air pollutants with your 3-stage filtration system, which removes 99.97% of airborne particles. And it neutralizes things like smoke and unpleasant odors. Doesn't it feel amazing? You have incredible modes too. Fully manual, sleep mode, auto mode, and turbo mode. All for a completely customized purification experience. Oh, you're in auto mode, saving energy when the air quality is excellent. The HEPA air purifier indicates when it needs a filter replacement. Unite your mind, body, and breathing with the best air possible. HEPA air purifier.